Hey guys, welcome back.
We cut the legs off of our pants, threw our shoes into the ocean, laid back and waved through the
So, as usual, looking so fresh for you. We're having some breakouts, you know, it's real life, I'm a real person. We're back to that again, aren't we? I wanted to film, that's my daughter Eleanor. Ellie, can you say hi? Say hi. Oh, really? That's how you're gonna be? So friendly. Say hi.
Okay, now.
Alright, so I told you guys a little while ago that we're gonna do a teensy weensy bit of a kind of master bedroom makeover. We're not doing a whole lot, we're not getting tons of new furniture, but just a little bit. We've had this same headboard, even though I still really do love it. We've had that thing since we've been married, and we have had these beddings and sheets for good 2.5 years now, and I'm just ready for a change, you know, just a little spring refresh, if you will. So we are going to get a new headboard, new bedding, some new like artwork to hang. It's just a little bit of a refresh, but I think it's gonna make a big difference, and I wanted to kind of film it along with you guys. I did not spend a whole lot of money. Everything I try to get on sale and with like in budget, so I will have everything linked below. This video is not sponsored, purchased everything myself, but I will make sure I have everything linked below for you guys if you're interested in kind of like refreshing your room without spending a crazy amount of money. I know that decorating and kind of remodeling, all that stuff can be so crazy expensive, and I want to help you guys out. If you don't have that money or just looking for some inspiration, I'm not saying that I'm an interior designer, because I'm definitely not, but I think it's just fun, and I just want to share my journey with you guys. So we're gonna have probably a bit of a time-lapse montage thing going on, so come along with us. Let's get started. So here's the before. I just want to quickly say that I filmed that cleaning video of our bedroom last week, and this is already what's happened. I just don't. You're scaring me, kid. I can't, you know, real life, friends. Once again, we went on like a little trip this weekend, and here we are. So we're gonna clean a little bit, and we're also going to redecorate. So let's get started. Bye bye. See you later.
Alright, so first things first, we are getting rid of the bedding. I believe I got this bedding at Target, and I think that they still have it. It is the Threshold line, and I really loved it. We've had this for probably 2.5 years now, and it was really comfortable. It washed really well. I loved everything about it, but it was just time to get rid of it. We did keep the green fitted sheets. They are from Target as well. They're from the Room Essentials line, I believe, and they are so comfortable. I just happened to forget to buy a fitted sheet, so I just need to buy one that's probably coral or teal, but I will probably just get another jersey one because I loved it. That headboard, it was also from Target. They still have it. We ended up keeping it over at my mom's guest room, and love it. I just couldn't part with it. Now this headboard is from Walmart. It is from the Better Homes and Gardens line. It was about $150. And it's beautiful. It's a solid piece of wood. It's super heavy. It is not like particle board or anything like that. It's really stunning. However, it looked way different online than when it is in person. It online looked a lot more rustic. It had some distressing to it. It was way lighter in color. I still love how it looks, but just keep in mind it looks way different online. Now, this bedding is actually from a brand called Lush Decor. They sell a lot through third-party websites like Target and Kohl's, Wayfair, Zulily, all of those types of places. And this is the Poppy Garden one, I believe, and this is in the navy color, and it is just so beautiful. I think it's so happy for springtime. I was tired of having so much gray and just dark blah colors. This just makes me so happy. And these shams are from the Pioneer Woman line from Walmart. She has like polka dot ones too, and solid colors. They're beautiful. She has tons of really colorful, happy bedding if that's something that you're interested in looking into, and it's relatively inexpensive. And I really like the quality. Those sheets are really nice, or those shams are really nice. And then I think it just adds a little different texture, different pattern to the bed. I wanted it to be boho, but still not too Joshua Tree or like too Tumblr Instagram where it's just like creams. I wanted to have some color and some floral and some different texture, and I think it looked really, really pretty. Now this is like my special little trick that I do that's not very special because I'm sure tons of people do it, but instead of buying all new pillows, I just buy new pillow covers and just take old pillows I have and stuff them inside. These pillow covers are from Amazon. They're velvet, and this seller has a ton of different colors and different shapes, and they're beautiful. They're way more beautiful in person than they are showing up on camera. And I know you can see the old texture of the pillow coming through, but in person it is very subtle. It's just picking up like that on camera. But I really love doing that. It saves so much money rather than having to buy full new pillows, just buying covers, especially these ones were only like $7 a pop. So I definitely recommend trying that if you're tired of spending the money on pillows. I just wanted to give you a better shot of the bed. I just think these colors are vibrant and beautiful, and they just elevate the room. And this is a little macrame wall hanging that I got from Amazon as well, and I wanted to kind of continue with that boho theme and help the front pillow kind of tie in. We just kind of hung this behind the headboard and it stayed perfectly still. It doesn't fall, it has not budged, even though we lean against the headboard all the time and the pillows tug at it, it stays exactly where it is. It was super inexpensive, and I liked the dimension that it gave to the room. This was a scroll from Smallwood Home. It came in a very large size because I didn't read the dimensions. That was my bad. So we ended up trimming quite a bit off of it. We could have continued to scroll up the bottom, but I just liked it better having a bit more like clean line to it, and I feared that we'd also kind of end up tugging at it by accident with our heads or the pillows or something, and I think it looks better like this in my personal opinion. But I love the saying on it. It's something that I remind myself and tell other people when they ask for marriage advice. It's just like remembering to make the choice to choose each other every single day. Now this is the before photos of our bedroom, just blah and this is the after, and we don't have a whole lot of other things going on. We didn't add new furniture. I do plan on getting the side table to match the headboard, but just changing up the bed completely changed the room and made it so much more just inviting and cozy and colorful. I love everything about it. So we didn't spend a whole lot of money, but it ended up turning out beautiful, and we are so happy with it. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the post notification bell to see every time I post, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.